Aries, 2nd December 2024. Love life, your passion and enthusiasm shine brightly today, Aries. If you are in a relationship, your dynamic energy can bring excitement and spark to your bond. For singles, your magnetic confidence might attract someone who shares your zest for life. Career, this is a day for bold moves and initiatives. Your leadership qualities are on full display, and colleagues or superiors may rely on you to steer the team towards success. Trust your instincts, they'll guide you to make impactful decisions. Well-being, you are buzzing with energy today, which is great for tackling physical activities. Use this momentum to focus on fitness or an outdoor adventure that gets your blood pumping. However, avoid overexertion, pace yourself. Advice: channel your fiery energy into productive outlets and let your enthusiasm inspire those around you. Lucky color, scarlet. Lucky number, 5. Taurus, 2nd December 2024. Love life, relationships are highlighted today, Taurus. If you are in a partnership, this is an excellent time to have meaningful conversations and plan for the future. Singles may find themselves drawn to someone with a calm and grounded energy, sparking the potential for a long-lasting connection. Career, you will be focused on practicality and steady progress at work. Your reliable nature will impress colleagues and superiors alike. This is a good day to tackle financial planning or finalize budgets, as your attention to detail is sharp. Well-being, focus on relaxation and balance today. A gentle yoga session or a quiet evening with soothing music can help you recharge. Avoid overindulging in rich foods to maintain your physical well-being. Advice: slow and steady wins the race, stay consistent, and you'll see tangible results in both love and career. Lucky color, emerald green. Lucky number, 8. Gemini, 2nd December 2024. Love life, curiosity and wit make you irresistible today. If you are in a relationship, light-hearted banter can reignite sparks with your partner. Singles may find themselves connecting with someone who matches their intellectual energy. Career, your versatility shines as you tackle diverse tasks with ease. A brainstorming session may lead to innovative ideas that impress your team. Avoid distractions and stay focused to make the most of this productive energy. Well-being, you may feel a burst of mental energy but could be physically restless. A short workout or a brisk walk can help balance your mind and body. Meditation can also help calm your racing thoughts. Advice: lean into your natural adaptability, but be mindful not to overcommit, choose quality over quantity. Lucky color, light yellow. Lucky number, 4. Cancer, 2nd December 2024. Love life, you'll feel deeply attuned to your partner's emotions today. This is an excellent time to have meaningful conversations that strengthen your bond. Singles may find themselves drawn to someone who exudes warmth and sensitivity. Career, your intuition will guide you effectively in work-related decisions. If you've been waiting to make a move, trust your gut and take that step. Collaboration with colleagues is especially fruitful today. Well-being, your emotions may feel heightened, so take extra care of your mental health. A quiet evening with calming music or journaling can help you find balance. Advice: trust your instincts in all areas of life, but don't let emotions cloud your judgment, stay grounded. Lucky color, silver. Lucky number, 7. Leo, 2nd December 2024. Love life, your charisma is undeniable today, drawing people toward you effortlessly. Couples will find joy in shared laughter and light-hearted moments. Singles might attract attention in social settings, so step into the spotlight with confidence. Career, your natural leadership skills will shine as you tackle challenges with creativity and poise. Others look up to you for direction, making this a prime time to showcase your abilities. Don't shy away from the big decisions. Well-being, you may feel a surge of energy, but balance is key. Engage in physical activity, but don't forget to rest and recharge when needed. Advice, embrace your confidence, but remember to remain humble, it's a trait that enhances your appeal. Lucky color, gold. Lucky number, 1. Virgo, 2nd December 2024. Love life, your analytical nature helps you navigate a sensitive situation in your relationship. Couples should focus on clear communication to avoid misunderstandings. Singles might feel drawn to someone with shared values. Trust your instincts when connecting. Career, details matter today, Virgo. Your meticulous approach will catch an error others missed, showcasing your expertise. This is a good time to organize your workload and plan for upcoming projects. Well-being, a focus on mental clarity will serve you well. Consider journaling or mindfulness exercises to keep your thoughts in order and reduce stress. Advice, balance practicality with compassion. Others may need your guidance, but also your understanding. Lucky color, olive green. Lucky number, 3. Libra, 2nd December 2024. Love life, harmony takes center stage in your relationships. For couples, resolving lingering issues through honest conversations brings you closer. Singles may attract someone captivated by your charm and grace. Be ready to step into the spotlight. Career, a diplomatic approach at work helps you mediate tensions between colleagues. Your natural ability to see all sides of an issue positions you as a valuable team member. Keep an eye out for an opportunity to take the lead. Well-being, balance is essential today. While your mental energy is high, physical activity like yoga or light stretching can help maintain equilibrium. Advice, stay true to your values, even when compromise seems like the easier route. Lucky color, sky blue. Lucky number, 6. Scorpio, 2nd December 2024. Love life, your intensity in love shines today, Scorpio. For couples, deep emotional conversations strengthen your bond. Singles may feel drawn to someone who sparks their curiosity. Trust your instincts, but proceed with patience. Career, your focus and determination help you tackle complex tasks. Avoid getting entangled in office politics and let your work speak for itself. A breakthrough moment might come from revisiting a project you thought was stagnant. Well-being, emotions run high, so practice mindfulness to keep your energy grounded. A detox tea or calming ritual can help you maintain balance. Advice, take time to celebrate small victories. They pave the way for larger accomplishments. Lucky color, deep red. Lucky number. Sagittarius, 2nd December 2024. Love life, today, your natural charm and optimism shine brightly. If you are in a relationship, this is a great time to reconnect emotionally with your partner and explore new ways to enjoy each other's company. Singles may find themselves attracting someone with a fun, adventurous spirit. Get ready for an exciting interaction. Career, you are on fire today, Sagittarius. Your enthusiasm and creativity will inspire those around you. It's an excellent time to pitch new ideas or take the lead on a project. Trust your instincts, as they will guide you to success, especially if you step outside the box. Well-being, you may feel energetic, but don't overdo it. Find time for light physical activity, perhaps a walk in the fresh air, to keep your spirits high without exhausting yourself. Stay hydrated and prioritize rest in the evening. Advice: be open to the unexpected today. You never know where a spontaneous idea or conversation might lead. Lucky color, purple. Lucky number, 4. Capricorn, 2nd December 2024. Love life, today, your practical and grounded nature may need to take a back seat in relationships. If you are in a relationship, there may be moments where you need to let go of your usual seriousness and embrace some light-hearted fun. For singles, a connection might blossom through shared values, but take your time to truly get to know someone before jumping into deep. Career, this is a productive day in your professional life. Focus on setting long-term goals and mapping out a clear strategy for your next steps. You may find yourself dealing with important decisions, and your ability to think ahead will be invaluable. Trust your instincts, but also be open to collaboration. Well-being, you might feel a little fatigued today, Capricorn. It's essential to take breaks, especially if you've been overworking yourself. Incorporating some light physical activity, like a brisk walk or stretching, can help you reset your energy. Advice: take things one step at a time, especially in your personal and professional life. Avoid rushing and focus on the quality of your actions over quantity. Lucky color, charcoal grey. Lucky number, 11. Aquarius, 2nd December 2024. Love life, today, you may feel a sense of emotional distance in your relationships. If you are in a partnership, communication might be a little off, and misunderstandings could arise. It's important to stay patient and be clear about your feelings to avoid any confusion. For singles, try to avoid jumping into something new too quickly. Take your time to truly understand your own emotions before opening up to others. Career, Aquarius, your innovative thinking will be an asset today. You may be presented with an opportunity to showcase your creativity or take a new approach to an ongoing project. Be bold and think outside the box. It's a great time to propose new ideas. However, be cautious of those who may not immediately understand your vision. Stay true to your values. Well-being, you may feel mentally exhausted today. It's important to take breaks throughout the day and allow yourself to rest. Try to incorporate some mindfulness exercises or light physical activity to recharge your energy. Advice: be patient with your emotions and others around you. Not everyone will see things the way you do today, and that's okay. Stay grounded and take time for self-care. Lucky color, electric blue. Lucky number, 10. Pisces, 2nd December 2024. Love life, today, you may feel more emotionally sensitive than usual. If you are in a relationship, be mindful of small misunderstandings that could arise due to heightened emotions. Your partner may need reassurance, so don't hesitate to offer your support. For singles, You might find yourself drawn to someone with a strong emotional presence. Trust your intuition when it comes to new connections, but don't rush into anything too quickly. Career at work, you'll find that your creativity and intuition are working in your favor today. You may be inspired to think outside the box or pursue new, unconventional ideas. This is an ideal time to collaborate with others who share your vision, as your ability to work intuitively with a team will bring great results. Just make sure to stay organized and not let distractions pull you off course. Well-being, Pisces, your emotional well-being may require extra attention today. Avoid absorbing the negative energy of others, as it could affect your mood and mental state. It's important to establish healthy boundaries and find ways to recharge. Consider doing something creative or meditative, such as painting or journaling, to keep your mind calm. Advice: today is all about emotional clarity. Stay grounded and don't let small challenges derail your sense of peace. Trust in your instincts, but also take practical steps to keep balance in your life. Lucky color: sea green. Lucky number: 12.